thank you everyone from Smile for dancing with me on Boogie Dance, all the mascots, everyone who's working at Kidzania. Some years back, कुछ साल पहले जब मैं किड्ज़ानिया मैंने देखा था पहली बार, सो मेरे दिल में ये बात आई थी कि हमारे देश में, हमारे सिटी में और अलग अलग सिटीज़ में इंडिया में ये होना चाहिए, because my children loved it. And today on Father's Day, I'm a little sad because my children are not here. One is giving exams, the others are on holiday. I have to work hard for my money like all fathers do. Fathers are always working. So I thought the best way to share the love that I share with my children is to come here and share it with all the fathers in Kidzania and all the children from Smile and everywhere else. So my heart will feel a little lighter. So thank you very much. I wish everyone a very, very happy Father's Day. Even those who don't have fathers, fathers are always with you. I don't have a father, but I know He looks after me. I know God Almighty is our Father. He'll look after us. So always be happy in the knowledge कि कहीं ना कहीं पर आप जहाँ पर भी हैं, जितनी उम्र भी हो जाए आपकी, I'm 48 now, I still feel like a child because I know my father will look after me, and so will fathers all over the world. So this one is to all the fathers. May God bless you for being so wonderful. And thank you. Thank you all the children. And thank you, Zayn. Thank you everyone from the press for being here. Thank you.
I feel very happy. Like I said, thank you everyone at Kidzania for being here because, like I said, my children, one is giving an exam, one is gone for a holiday. So they're all over the place. I had to stay back because my shooting chal raha and I had to finish the shoot now because of the dates. So I've not been able to be with them. So 2 or 3 days ago I was feeling really bad, and then Paras and everyone from Kidzania said, why don't we have Father's Day at Kidzania so you can be with all the children. So I'm very happy. So thank you all the children for being with me here today. Thank you. जागी जागी सी है फिर भी हल्की हल्की
Quite pleased, and you know, I didn't know it's Father's Day till about 2 days ago, so I think no better way. I hadn't been to Kidzania also since it opened up, so I'm very glad that the delightful screams and cheering of children and them enjoying themselves. I hope it's more for Kidzania than me. So it was great fun, and it makes you feel it's good for your soul to spend time with children. I think जितने भी माता पिता होते हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए हीरो ही होते हैं. हम क्योंकि फिल्मों में हैं, हमारी तस्वीरें ज़्यादा आती हैं, लोग ज़्यादा हमारे बारे में सुनते हैं, हमारे बच्चों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम कुछ बेहतर माँ बाप हैं. बट आई थिंक हर माँ बाप जो हैं वो यूनिक और बहुत खूबसूरत और अपने बच्चों के लिए सबसे बेहतर है. सो आई थिंक वी जस्ट गेट टू हेयर मोर अबाउट फिल्म इंडस्ट्री पीपल और फेमस पीपल. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ही हूँ अपने बच्चों के लिए हीरो हूँ. आई थिंक हर बाप हर माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए हीरो हीरोइंस होते हैं. नहीं, thankfully none of my children have any of my habits. I think they are much better than I am, and I'm very thankful to God for that. They don't have any of my bad habits, and they're good kids. I think the only commonality between Suhana, me, Abraham is that we all get dimples. That's the only commonality. Otherwise, they're much better people than I am.